Welcome back to the channel everyone. Today we're taking a deep and detailed look at one of the most stylish compact sedans on the road, the Mazda 3 in the breathtaking Soul Red Crystal 3 color. This shade has become iconic for Mazda, known for its rich depth, glossy finish, and the way it plays with light to make the car look like it's moving even when it's parked. If you're thinking about buying a Mazda 3 or just love beautifully designed cars, stay with me until the end as we explore everything from the exterior and interior to performance, pricing, and my final suggestions. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and support the channel. Right from the front, the Mazda 3 makes a bold impression. The signature grille is large and sculpted with a black mesh finish that blends perfectly with the sharp LED headlights. These headlights give the car a focused, almost aggressive expression, while the hood lines create the sleek, flowing shape Mazda is known for. The Soul Red Crystal paint enhances every curve and gives the front end a premium, sporty character. This is one of those colors that looks alive, bright under the sun, deeper and more luxurious under shade, and glowing under streetlights at night. Moving toward the back, the Mazda 3 continues its elegant yet sporty design. The taillights have a circular LED signature that makes the car instantly recognizable from a distance. The rear bumper is clean with a subtle diffuser-like design, and depending on the trim, you get stylish exhaust tips that complete the sporty look. The Soul Red Crystal finish makes the rear look sculpted and sharp, highlighting the smooth body lines that wrap around the car. Mazda's Kodo design philosophy really shines here, simple, clean, and emotionally appealing. Inside the cabin, the Mazda 3 feels much more premium than its class suggests. The dashboard is minimalistic with soft touch materials, leather trims, and clean stitching that gives a luxury-like experience. The center screen is positioned high and easy to read, controlled by a rotary knob for safer interaction while driving. The seats are comfortable with great bolstering, making long trips relaxing and spirited driving enjoyable. The steering wheel feels sporty, the controls are intuitive, and the entire cabin wraps around the driver with a cockpit-style layout. The rear seats offer decent space for everyday use, and the trunk provides practical storage for luggage, daily items, or groceries. Under the hood, the Mazda 3 typically comes with a 2.5-liter engine that offers smooth power delivery and impressive fuel efficiency. Mazda's SkyActiv technology ensures the engine feels responsive while keeping the driving experience refined. The handling is tight and engaging, making the Mazda 3 one of the most fun cars in its class. The steering is precise, body roll is well controlled, and the suspension provides a balance between comfort and a sporty feel. If you enjoy driving, the Mazda 3 will surprise you with how alive and connected it feels on the road. Talking about price, the Mazda 3 in the USA usually starts in the low $20,000 range and can climb to the high $20,000s depending on trim levels and optional packages. Considering the premium build quality, stylish design, high safety ratings, and excellent driving dynamics, it offers great value for the money. If you're looking for a compact sedan that stands out, delivers premium comfort, and gives you a fun-to-drive experience every day, the Mazda 3 in Soul Red Crystal 3 is definitely worth considering. It's ideal for daily commutes, long drives, or anyone who wants style without sacrificing practicality or affordability. Thanks for watching this full in-depth review of the Mazda 3 Soul Red Crystal. Make sure you like the video, drop a comment, share with friends, and subscribe for more detailed car reviews. I'll see you in the next video.